Hi! It's my birthday week. Oh my god, on Thursday, April 22nd. If you're thinking about Earth Day, this is my birthday, okay? So you don't forget it. 22nd of April. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna be 23. So then for this occasion, I decided to go get my Sephora birthday gift. And we're gonna be talking about this today. I know it's random, but I mean, it's a free thing, okay? And we're gonna talk about all the options and why I chose this one in particular. Yeah, and if you wanna see what I think about that, make sure to continue watching, like the video, and subscribe to my channel for 5 beautiful videos a week, Monday through Friday most of the time. And yeah, share with your friend too. Sometimes we do weird things, but anyways. Okay, so thinking back about it, like I was talking about this necklace in yesterday's video. So I unboxed like $600 worth of jewelry yesterday, and I feel like it's pretty yellow. It doesn't really fit with anything else that I have, so I might have to wear it by itself. Anyways, we're gonna check about that, but that's not what we're talking. So I always have to say something about other things. So we're gonna go check the birthday gifts because I feel like it's important. Okay, so when you're on the Sephora website, your birthday gifts are here. So there's 4 different options. I know that on the website now it shows 3, but there was 4. So there was Kerastase, which is a French brand, and it's like a shampoo, whatever, like conditioner and stuff like that, and it's just like a trial size. Other than that, you have Moroccan oil. I can even see, and I even see it. And it's like 3 hair products, which usually I don't go with the hair products because there's only one use with them. So that's why I go more towards like skincare or makeup related. And then the other thing was La Neige, the lip sleeping mask, the mask for the face, and then the other one. But I already have the lip sleeping mask, which I love. I really love it. I did a review on this, so if you want to go check it out, it's going to be listed down below, of course, as always. And up here, if I even know which side it is, because when I record, I never know which side it is. And there was this NARS kit, which is the one that I took for this year. And the reason why is because makeup just lasts so long, and I never really tried their lipsticks, and I never tried their bronzer. I know that last year there was the... can I even say that? There was the Orgasm blush on, and everybody took it. And I was like so sad because I wanted to try their blushes so bad. But yeah, so this year it's going to be the bronzer. So we're going to do a little unboxing of this. I'm excited. First time using this bronzer, and it's saying happy birthday on this thing. And I really like that it's doing that. It makes shopping at Sephora even more exciting. And I like to go usually in person, and it's funny because when you get your birthday gift, sometimes it just makes everybody just buy more stuff, but I didn't buy anything when I went there. I just took my birthday gift, and that's it. So it's wrapped in a beautiful black paper, which I like. It's like so cute, and I'm gonna hold it. And then you got the lipstick. Ooh, can you focus? Yes, NARS. And we're gonna try them, you know what I mean? And then you've got Wish. Stop sending me notifications. Not the time. And then you've got, oh my god, so soft. It is so soft. I was gonna say blush. The bronzer, and it is in the shade Laguna. NARS Cosmetics. Then you've got this, which is perfect for travel. It looks amazing already. It doesn't smell like anything. And the mirror is super high quality. I can literally see everything. I love that there's a mirror in the mini version. It's cute. It's beautiful. Oh, I know it's crazy, but like the packaging is very high quality. And I love it. Except for like the lipstick, the packaging is less high quality than the other product, but still. So I'm just gonna... That looks like such a pretty shade. And there's only one shade, you know what I mean? So like this is for every single skin tone, which I feel like it's not right because this, like it's a beautiful bronzer, but it's not going to fit like every single skin tone. But that's the birthday gift. That's what they decide on you. So we're going to try this on right now because I'm so excited to be trying NARS. There's no smell whatsoever. Okay, sometimes I'm obsessed with smell, but this one, just got to see it. It looks matte, but then you look at it, and then there's little shimmers in there. Anyways, I love, and you guys recommended me some NARS products for the lips. So this is the first one. We'll see if I like it or not. We'll see if I like the bronzer or whatever. So I'm going to start with the bronzer. I didn't set my face in any way, shape, or form, so I don't know if it's gonna like smudge, mess up, or anything. And I have 2 brushes that I use for blush. Why do I say blush? I love blush so much that I mess up. So I use 2 brushes for bronzer usually. So I have this one, which is a little bit more angled, and then I have this one, which is another one. So these are both from Morphe, but I'm gonna try to go towards other brands and to try other stuff as well, which I'm always gonna do a review on brushes, you know, buy a higher quality brushes to see if it's actually worth it or not. So all these things. Okay, better, but we still want that shine. So, oh, and if you want an updated way of the way that I do my makeup, just so it looks more flawless, tell me down below. I'm gonna definitely do that, but let's get into it. So I'm gonna start with this one. So I'm just gonna touch it. It's pretty soft. That's what it looks like. It's pretty soft. Okay, I'm gonna have to be careful because it might be dark a bit. We are going in. Is this gonna be enough? You know, like sometimes bronzer, like they give you too much. I feel like sometimes, oh, this one is so pretty. It goes on so beautiful. Do you see that? Like I'm barely touching my skin and it just goes there and it's not patchy in any way, shape, or form. Okay, you know, sometimes like I'm like, okay, are they gonna be high quality since it's like a birthday gift, or like, you know, they're gonna be less quality, but this looks really beautiful and I'm not even forcing anything. And like I'm dipping once and then I'm placing it and it just looks really beautiful and amazing already. I don't know if you see the difference, but like, girl, this one, I feel like I like it better than the Marc Jacob one. Okay, let's see what it looks like on top of blush. That's why I put some blush just to see what it would look like. Even with the small mirror, it's very easy to apply something, so you don't have to worry about that. And if I go down here, it's like, it's so blendable. It goes a little... Oh my god, I lost a diamond. Okay, which way? I lost this one. Sad. It's really sad. Anyways, it's really beautiful formulation. I love it so far. Oh my god, I look so bronzed up and like glowy. And I didn't even set that much, and it's not patchy. It doesn't really get stuck on texture. I don't know if you guys see that, but look at this glow. NARS doing its thing. Oh my god. I love like trying new products and I love them, and I'm just like, I'm trying to close it. Wow, I need the full version now. You know what I mean? Take my big mirror to see. I don't really put any on my cheeks, as you notice, because I'm just... Ooh, that is such a pretty color. I didn't think it would fit me that much, but like, I know, okay, like I didn't bring it all the way to my hairline. Some people are gonna say it in the comments, girl, bring it up to your hairline, but it's okay, you know? It's just, we're testing the color. This color is beautiful. And even like it doesn't has like a weird undertone, because you know sometimes bronzer, they have a little bit redder undertones, which you don't notice on the skin with the other makeup products, but then you get to your neck and it's kind of like reddish a bit, and this one doesn't do that. So it's pretty, and you know, like you can see, I don't know if you can see it, I left my skin a bit oily, I would say. Like I didn't set it so you could see my texture on my forehead, and it doesn't get stuck anywhere, literally nowhere, and it's really beautiful. New fave. Oh my god. Okay, oh, so that is a total win. It makes me just trying this. Anyways, packaging, 10 out of 10. I love it soft and it's sturdy. You know, like if you have long nails, beware of opening this. You might have a hard time there. But it's, you know, like the package, you know, it's harder to... Can you see? Oh, there's a hair. There's cat hair now in it. Okay, so it's harder to close, you know. Like, look, you really have to press. You really have to press, so it stays there. It's sturdy. It's really amazing. But then the lipstick is a little bit more like cheap. You know, you can hear. And this is the bronzer. You know, you see a difference between the bronzer and this. So Bronzer, 10 out of 10. Love it. I don't know how it wears throughout the day, but so far I'm happy with my birthday gift, okay? Like, I'm going to be using this every single day, and I'm using all products that I have on my face are going to be listed down below if you want to go check them out, of course, because, you know, I'm mixing products. So I'm going to go with the lipstick now. I already have some lip liner, which is from MAC, Boldly Bare. I have like 2 lip liner color, and that's the only thing I have, so please help me. So we're gonna go with that one. I don't know if it's gonna fit me. I don't feel like brown lipstick fits me that much, but we never know. So this is in the shade Laguna. Okay, so this is more like shiny. It's more like sheer than anything else. So it adds like a little bit of shine. On my lips, I'm not very a fan of like gold. I feel like it doesn't suit me that much. I don't know. Tell me down below. It's gonna fit with my eye. I put a little brown on my eye from Auric Beauty, and I feel like it does fit a little bit. But I think like it might make my teeth a bit more yellow, but the formulation is absolutely beautiful. It's just the color, I'm not sure. It does fit with my blush. I did decide to put something more on the warmer side, just so I knew, because this is brown, and I'm like, okay, I have to put brown. Put a little brown, you know, nah. But anyways, and that's what it looks like when you use it. You know, it's not very soft anymore. It's like warmed, and yeah. So anyways, beautiful formulation. I love the shine that it gives to your lip. You have a little gold accent in there, which is not my fave on me personally, but I can still rock it, you know, if I want. I can still rock it, and I will rock it because it's like very moisturizing, and it plumps the lips as well. It's very cute. I prefer matte lip over a shiny one, just because of everything. You know, you have to wear a mask and everything, and this is gonna smudge all over my face, and I'm just clumsy, and I don't know. Like, sometimes even though I don't touch my face, I have lipstick everywhere on my face, and I don't know why it's there. But anyways, I don't know if it happens to you guys, but it's like I can't keep my makeup on my face at all. It's just, it smudges and does just weird things. But anyways, that is the birthday gift. It's my birthday. Thursday. It's my birthday. I don't know what I'll do. I'll probably eat something and chill at home or something. Anyways, I'm so happy with this. I'm so happy I took the NARS. The bronzer, 10 out of 10. The lipstick, beautiful formulation. But again, the color is not my cup of tea. I should say more cup of coffee, because I prefer coffee. And look, it's like smudgy on this side. Okay, but that is it for today. I feel like all the gifts that they're giving every year, it's really amazing. If you want to try, you know, hair products, it's good, but you're gonna use it once or twice, literally, and it's gone. Skincare, you're gonna use it a couple times. That's about it. But the makeup, it lasts really, really long, and that's the reason why I recommend the makeup over everything else. Just because it's so amazing. I'm telling you guys, it lasts so long. So anyways, that's why I recommend the makeup. And yeah, so this is my set to finish off. This is my set of jewelry, and this keeps turning. So I know Amber asked me for this. I don't know exactly. I'm going to tell you, but honestly, I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to search for it, but I can't. Maybe Claire's, maybe other stores, you know, they have a choker, or maybe you can DIY it. You know, like you take this, you buy some chain, you buy a little thingy, and then you make it yourself, and then it would work. But other than that, I really don't know. And this, if you're asking me, well, my sister-in-law just gave everything to me. So she's like, okay, there you go. There you go. Like, wear some jewelry. So she gave me this, and it's amazing. And then this. Anyways, go check out the videos that is listed down below if you didn't check them out already. And yeah, and if you like this video, if you have any questions about the birthday gifts, or if you don't know what to choose, you can definitely ask me questions down below, comments. Would you pick something else? Would you take the makeup, the skincare, or the hair products? Tell me down below, I want to know. And I'm so glad that you watched my video. Thank you so much for subscribing, staying subscribed, watching my content. It truly means the world to me. And if you like it, make sure to like it and to share with your friends if you think that they would like it. Oh, and if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe to my channel, because we do post 5 videos a week here, Monday through Friday most of the time. So if you want to see content literally every day, almost, then this is the channel for you if you like it. So thank you so much again for watching. I really, really love you, beauties, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.